To group and filter by custom fields on the timeline, we'll go to the Timeline tab on this collection and select the timeline that we want to view. And now we can go to the No Group drop-down and search for quarters, which is the custom field that we want to group by. And now we can see that there's 2 items under Q1 and 2 items under Q2. The items under No Group do not have information under the quarter field. Now, if we want to filter based on quarters, we can undo our grouping just so we can get a clear view. And we'll click on the Filter tab and add criteria. And we'll search for quarters here. And we will select, we want to look at Q2 and press Done and Apply Filter. So now we can see here there's 2 items with designation Q2, and we're now looking at those on our timeline.